Hello, welcome to Shane's Sports Card Search. Today we have 2 Sage Premier Draft Blaster boxes, 3 autographs in every box. So this is the Premier Draft series. We'll hopefully hit a big autograph, would be really nice. Maybe get autograph Tua or Joe Burrow. Okay, we have a box of Blaster Auto and Parallel cards. DeAndre Swift, Giovanni Moffett, Troy Dye. We got a 5-star Joe Burrow, Clavion Chasen, A.J. Dillon, Next Level James Morgan, Kenny Wilkers, Premier Draft Justin Jefferson. Here's our first auto. We have Riley Neal. Our second auto we have Stephen Calvert. And then Kalijah Lipscomb makes up the third autograph. Here's another Joe Burrow 5-star. Terrell Burgess. Ross Blacklock. Jordan Love. Next Level Jordan Love. Cam Akers. Kalijah Lipscomb. Ashton Davis. Hakeem Davis Gaither. Kenneth Murphy, Raymond Callius, and Isaiah Hodgkins. That was the parallel cards. I'm not going to open the base cards. I'll lay these to the side. I'm just going to do the parallel box and the autos, see who we hit. Same configuration. Lay the base cards to the side. I'm not going to open those. Just looking at the auto parallels. We have a Patrick Taylor, Cole Kmet, Carter Coughlin, Lynn Bowden, LaMichael Petaway, Stephen Calvert, Kristen Wilkerson, Zach Moss, Next Level KJ Hamler, Jonathan Taylor High School Record Breaker, Justin Jefferson Next Level, Brian Edwards. First autograph is Jalen Moore. Second autograph, Jalen Moore, same card. And third autograph is Cody Grace. We have a Cole McDonald, Jordan Love Next Level, Jalen Moore, C.D. Lamb, Joe Burrow 5-star high school star, Kelly Bryant, Jerry Jeudy, and Ashton Davis. That was our hits from the Sage Blaster boxes. We just looked at the parallel and autograph cards from 2 boxes. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, hit subscribe, and come check out some more videos. Thanks for watching.